Hello, I'm Mrs. Flexner, and I'm the Envirothon coach for West Vincent Elementary School. In this video, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Envirothon. Envirothon is an after-school club for 4th and 5th graders. We meet once a week starting in February to learn about Pennsylvania's wildlife and forestry. Other schools in O&J Roberts are also holding Envirothon meetings too. In fact, schools all across Pennsylvania have Envirothon teams that meet and learn about Pennsylvania plants and animals. Here's a closer look at what we study in Envirothon. Our team learns about mammals and how they live in Pennsylvania, such as their interactions with one another. As a team, we need to learn how to recognize animal tracks of indigenous Pennsylvania wildlife as well. We also study birds, fish, reptiles, amphibians, and insects, all indigenous to Pennsylvania. As a team, we try to learn as much as we can about these animals for our competition in May. One way to study our topic is to take a field trip to Warwick Park. As a team, we do a water study program and we take a hike through the forest. Then in early May, my team and I travel to Hibernia Park to compete against the other schools' Envirothon teams. It's a field trip for us. We leave school and miss our regular classes for the day. If all of this sounds intriguing to you, please take an Envirothon flyer home tonight for your parents to review. Ask your homeroom teacher for the form. Explain to your parents that you're interested in trying out for our team. Then I will arrange a time with your teacher for you to take our screening test. Our screening test is required because this year I am only allowed to take 10 4th and 5th grade students to the competition. If I have more students than 10, I will need to tabulate the results of the screening test. The winners of the screening test will be announced on January 30th, and we will begin meeting after school on Mondays for an hour to learn about Pennsylvania wildlife, forestry, and environmental issues. Thank you for listening to this video presentation about Envirothon. Take a flyer if you'd like to try out for our team. Remember to bring it back to school no later than Friday, January 19th. Good luck!